Racing just is started. We have out of time. First the show. Quickness is at the start. Running by the release Pedro Penduko. Rushing upon the yards. It is Newsmaker. The next online is Masaganang Ani alongside Sweet Julian. Pretty Bull. Gifted Champ September Morning. Then comes Andy's Ram Grand Sensation. Princesita Erin while Mapagtiis is the early trailer by about 20 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Pedro Penduko by about half length. Out of time is running by the rail. A length and a half further back in third comes Newsmaker. Masaganang Ani comes next with Julian. Pretty Bull, Gifted Champ, September Morning. And this Ram comes next. Then followed by Grand Sensation. Mapagtiis racing second less. While Princesita Erin now running at the tail of the field. Another fourth turn, we have Art of time by a length and a half, and in second is Newsmaker. Then here comes Sweet Julian, Gifted Champ, and this one likewise now arriving at the scene, and they are now entering the home stretch. Art of time by only a length, moving up the Warriors. That is on this ram to take the lead. We have this ram coming from behind by about 3 lengths. Our Gifted Champ, Art of Time, and finally we have Andy's Ram. Gifted Champ, Art of Time. Then comes Sweet Julian.
Apat lang ang binanggit ni Chris. 13, 10, 4, 9. Ano siya, second choice?
Aha.